Hey folks, scattered showers around the valley again today. Not widespread, but a lot of folks have picked up at least a brief shower. Rains pretty hard when it rains and then it moves on out. This is the latest radar. You see just kind of a scattering activity. The heaviest right now in Starr County. We showed you just moving through Rio Grande City out to the west, going to kind of sideswipe Roma. Some more stuff off to the north from there, a little bit out in the ranch land. Go to Cameron County. We've got one little shower watch right here, just the west side of Harlingen, out around Palm Valley, and then down to the south. This little line actually producing some lightning right there. One lightning bolt just to the northwest of Brownsville. There's a closer look at where that is, right pretty much along the military highway. There are actually a couple of them. And then just offshore, some more rain that's working its way toward the coast, but notice it seems to be fading as we typically see as it gets to the coast. The chance of rain is going to stay with us over the next few days. Even overnight tonight as a little disturbance moves through, it's going to give us a shot. Here's where rain has fallen today, and again pretty widely scattered. Notice in Cameron County, about 2/10 of an inch, about just a few miles west of Brownsville, right around Los Fresnos, just west of town, about a half an inch. Then up closer to Santa Monica, decent amount. Raymondville, kind of the winner today so far at 1.4, and then northern Hidalgo County, half an inch to an inch. This is what it's looked like on satellite, and not just one big explosion of clouds, but a little bit more widespread today. This stuff will sneak out of here tonight, but there's still going to be a shower, even a thunder shower overnight, and then during the daytime tomorrow, scattered stuff fires up again. So it's another relatively active day across the valley. And Friday doesn't change a lot. Stuff fires on the sea breeze, but maybe a little less active as we get into the end of the week and the weekend. But each day, there's at least a chance for showers. Tomorrow, about a 50% probability, 30 on Friday and 20 on Saturday, as the chances taper off but never quite go away. Here are the temperatures. Look at this, 83 right now here in the Mid-Valley, 82 in Edinburgh. Winds out of the east right now at about 12. Dew points up, humidity 61%. You can tell where it's been raining or where the rain has been at least close by. Overnight tonight, temperatures bottom out in the upper 70s and low 80s, and tomorrow we're back into the low to mid 90s again with the scattered showers, temperatures staying a little bit below the seasonal norm, which is 94. A day like that, then we're back above average for Friday and Saturday, but not dramatically so. Most places probably staying below 100. These are the currents across the rest of South Texas. Everybody a little more comfortable than it was a week or two ago. Look at that, 81 in Dallas, 87 in Austin right now rather than 101 or 102. Of course, the other story is this guy up here, the remnants of Gordon making its way up through the deep south. But for us, this upper disturbance slides through tonight into tomorrow, giving us that chance for some more showers. It's out of the picture by Friday into Saturday, but there's still enough moisture around for daytime stuff to fire up on the sea breeze all the way into the weekend. So the potential is going to stay with us for a while. Top of the picture, there goes Gordon, now a tropical depression with 30-mile-per-hour winds. Here's the forecast path for this. It just kind of fades away but continues to produce rain as it goes up through Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, and finally ends up in Michigan by the time we get to early next week, just as a rainmaker. That's about it. In the Atlantic, this is getting a little more interesting. Florence out here now, a pretty impressive hurricane with 130-mile-per-hour winds, Category 4, but watch the forecast for this. Continues going off to the northwest, then the west, and the northwest. A lot of the models bring this pretty close to the U.S. East Coast next week, middle to latter part of next week. So this bears watch for folks on the eastern seaboard. They get it awfully close before it fades away. So that is one that folks on the East Coast are going to be watching closely. For us, mostly cloudy. It could be a thunderstorm overnight, low of 77. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy with a shower storm in spots, about a 50% probability, back up to 92. 96 on Friday and Saturday. Sunday, we go back to 94. Notice every day there's at least the shot for a shower or thunderstorm. Tomorrow, again, about a 50% probability, tapering off a little bit by the weekend. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.